Welcome to the Big Apple, everyone. Today, we're embarking on an epic walking tour through some of the most iconic spots in New York City. From sprawling green spaces and architectural marvels to historical landmarks, we're packing a lot into one unforgettable journey. So lace up those sneakers, and let's dive right in. First stop, Central Park. Your journey begins at the heart of Manhattan, in the lush, expansive landscapes of Central Park. This urban oasis stretches over 843 acres and offers something for everyone. Whether you're a nature enthusiast or just seeking an escape from the concrete jungle, Central Park is your breath of fresh air. Take a meander over to Bethesda Terrace, where the Angel of the Water stands gracefully at the center of a stunning fountain, reminiscent of Europe's classical charm. Don't just breeze past. Take a moment to sit on the grand staircase and soak in the views. If you're feeling whimsical, head over to the Bow Bridge, a gorgeous cast-iron bridge that's a favorite among romantics and photographers alike. If you're ready to turn up the romance, rent a boat at the Low Boathouse and paddle around the lake. If you start singing a love ballad, we won't stop you. Just don't expect the ducks to join in. If you fancy getting lost in the wilderness within the concrete jungle, venture into the Ramble, a 36-acre wilderness with twisting paths that make you feel miles away from Manhattan's hustle and bustle. You might even spot some local birdlife flitting through the trees. It's like nature's own little hide-and-seek game. From the natural beauty of Central Park, we now head towards the splendor of St. Patrick's Cathedral. To get there, exit the park on the southeast corner, head down Fifth Avenue, and you'll soon see the neo-Gothic spires of this magnificent cathedral piercing the sky. Unveiled in 1879, St. Patrick's Cathedral is an architectural gem. Touted as the crown jewel of Fifth Avenue, the cathedral looks like it was plucked straight out of a European fairy tale and planted right here in Manhattan. As you step inside, prepare to be awestruck by the cavernous nave, adorned with stained glass windows that cast colorful shadows on the marble floor. Take a moment to admire the intricate details of the altar and the majestic Pieta sculpture, which is even larger than Michelangelo's famous version in Rome. And don't miss the Lady Chapel at the back, a tranquil space for a reflective pause in your busy day. Next, we head to the bustling epicenter of Midtown Manhattan, Rockefeller Center. It's located right across St. Patrick's Cathedral, so just cross Fifth Avenue to get there. Rockefeller Center isn't just about the annual Christmas tree, although that's a sight to behold in the winter months. Year-round, it's a hive of activity with its famous ice skating rink that transforms into a cafe-lined plaza in the summer. Make sure to look up at the towering Art Deco buildings and take note of the bronze Atlas statue, forever shouldering the weight of the heavens. Feeling adventurous? Ascend to the top of the Rock Observation Deck. The elevator ride itself is an experience, featuring a transparent roof that turns your climb into a light show. At the top, you're greeted with panoramic views stretching from the Empire State Building to the verdant expanse of Central Park. It's the perfect spot for capturing your New York City skyline selfies. From the towering heights of Rockefeller Center's observation deck, your next stop will be another icon in the skies, the Empire State Building. No visit to NYC is complete without beholding the Empire State Building. From Rockefeller Center, head south on Fifth Avenue, and within minutes, you'll find yourself at the base of this Art Deco masterpiece. Standing at 1,454 feet tall, the Empire State Building was the tallest building in the world for almost 4 decades. Step into the lobby adorned with a stunning mural depicting the structure as a beacon of progress. The ride to the 86th floor observatory is an event in itself, with interactive exhibits that document the building's history. And once you're there, wow! The city unfolds beneath you in a tapestry of lights and landmarks. You'll see the Hudson and East Rivers, the Brooklyn Bridge, and even tiny dots that are taxis navigating the streets. If you're feeling even more daring, take another elevator ride up to the 102nd floor for an even more vertigo-inducing view. After that awesome view from the top, if you still have the stamina to get those feet to work, head over to the iconic Flatiron Building, your last stop for this tour. To get there, continue south on Fifth Avenue, and you'll soon spot its unique triangular silhouette at the intersection of Fifth Avenue and Broadway. Completed in 1902, this historic skyscraper is not just an architectural marvel. It's a symbol of New York's relentless innovation. As you approach, you'll notice the building's dramatic design, which was once considered radical for its time. Nicknamed Burnham's Folly after its architect, Daniel Burnham, it has undoubtedly proven its critics wrong by becoming one of the city's most beloved landmarks. Take the time to admire its limestone and terracotta facade, filled with intricate detailing that stands out against the modern glass buildings surrounding it. If you're a photography buff, capture the building from the pedestrian island on 23rd Street. This vantage point offers a striking perspective that shows off its full grandeur. Before you go, consider stopping by the nearby Madison Square Park for a final moment of relaxation amidst the bustle. And that's a wrap for our whirlwind walking tour through some of New York City's most iconic sights. From the tranquility of Central Park to the architectural wonders of the Flatiron Building, we've covered a lot of ground. Which city do you want us to cover next? Comment your answers below. Let's keep this adventure rolling, stay curious, and keep exploring all places walkable. To watch more contents like this, click like, subscribe, and press that notification button. See you on our next virtual walking tour.